Meaning of guarantor.
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 Guarantor. A guarantor is a person or an organization that agrees to take responsibility for another's financial obligations in case they are unable to fulfill them. By accepting the role of a guarantor, they essentially guarantee that the debt will be paid back in full. This is a common practice when a borrower has poor credit history or insufficient income, as it helps assure lenders that their investment is safe. However, being a guarantor also comes with risks and potential consequences, such as having to pay off the debt themselves if the borrower defaults.